In this video I want to show you the first part of Enter Sandman, the very famous riff everybody knows, and I will show you some details that probably most videos out there don't show you and that you won't be really able to read in tablature. So keep in mind, stay to the very end of the video, you will discover a lot of cool details that you need to master this very cool riff. We have 5 different parts in this intro that I just showed you. They are pretty similar, and we start out with this clean part, which you play like this. You put your pinky into the 7th fret of the A string, the middle finger into the 5th fret of the D string. This is quite unusual. I really studied a lot of videos of James Hetfield playing it. This is the way. Then you play open E string, A, D. So. And then you play with the ring finger the 6th fret E string, and then the index goes to the 5th fret E string. So it's E, A, D, E, E. And then again the A string. E, A, D, E, E, A, E, A, D, E, E, A, E, A, D, E, E, and you do that 12 times. This is actually the original recording which I'm referring to, so make sure that all the fingers are really straight and not lying on the fretboard, so you block strings. Especially this D string here has to ring throughout. And then we go to our first distorted part. We start out with an E power chord, played by me with the index finger in the 2nd fret of the A and D string, and open E string, of course. We play open chord and then muted 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then, with the ring finger from the 5th fret of the A string, we slide into the 7th fret. And then we repeat the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But without the open chord, okay? And when you play the second time, we play it 7 times. So it's, the first time is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get the idea. The third riff then is so we start again the open E chord, open power chord, and then we slide into the 7th fret of the A string after we played that twice, and then to the 6th fret of the E string. And then 3 times power chord, and then 1 time F power chord, played on the 1st fret and the 3rd fret, by me with the index and the pinky. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. You do that 4 times, okay? Then we go into the next part. Pretty similar. We play again 2 times the E power chord, and then slide into the 7th fret of the A string, 6th fret, and then 5th fret E string, and then again 2 times power chord, and then 1 time F power chord. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. come into the very main riff everybody knows. No muting there, 2 times the power chord, then 7th fret of the A string and 6, 5 on the E string. You do that 3 times and then we have 3rd fret G power chord. You play that open and then you play and then a muted open E string, 2nd fret power chord, the F sharp power chord, so open string and then G again, the F sharp power chord, G power chord, F sharp power chord, and from the top. F sharp, G, F sharp, again. So it's G, open string, F sharp, open string, F sharp, G, F sharp, and the riff again. So this was the 5th part. So you see the riffs are quite similar if you compare them. The important thing is that you have a sound in the very intro which is quite clean and has maybe if you have some chorus on it, and then when you enter the 2nd riff you have a lot of distortion, pretty edgy sound with not that many mids but more bass and treble. If you have any questions to that riff, let me know, drop a comment and check out my free lessons for beginners which you find in the video description. Greatest stuff for you if you've never played the guitar before and you really want to join. So, see you there. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Hannes. We see us in the next video. Take care. Bye.